Out of 12 persons, 11 persons spent rupees 250 each for their meals. The 12th person spent is 60 more than the average expenditure of all of the 11. What is the average expenditure of 12 persons? Find out 11 persons spent 250 each. Total expenditure 250 into 11. 250 into 11 0 5 2 plus 7 7 2750. 11 persons total expenditure 2750. Okay, the 12th person spent the rupees 60 more than the average expenditure of 11th. 12th person, so 12th person 60 more than the average expenditure of 11. Average expenditure 250. Total 11 percent, so divided by 12. 11 cancel 250. 250 plus 12 persons average expenditure 250. 250 plus 60 310. 12th persons 12 persons spent 310. 11 persons spend 2750. Total value 50 plus 310. 2750 plus 310. 0 5 6 3060. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅವರೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಆಲ್ 12 ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಅವರೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 12. Total 12 persons. Total 12 person expenditure 3060 divided by 12. Total average value ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 12 ಇಂದ 3016 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 255 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 255 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆವರೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ 12 ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 255. 255 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್.